Good morning. As you can see, the last two sessions we've been unable to break above 74.42. Now we're beginning to look overcooked on the top side around these higher levels. Pre-open we're trading at 74.34. So give it its due, it does want to make that move higher. But can it do it when it's so overbought? Possibly not. But how far can we come back on a corrective basis? The key thing for me is the fact that we broke through this 73.88 area. Now if you can see where I've drawn that trend line, that neckline if you like, if we take this as a base and the fact that we have broken above some really key resistance, it actually does leave a target on Ftse of 77.5, which spookily enough is around up these levels at 77.29. So 77.50 target isn't inconceivable that can be met. Now obviously at this time of year everyone looks to the yearly high, yearly low. Well, we've had a snifter at the low, and you can see the yearly high is up at that 77.29 area. So although I think we're overdone, and we are overdone on Ftse, there is a real strong possibility that we can trade quite a bit higher. First, I'd like to see a correction. Now where can the correction extend to on the downside? Obviously we look for Fibonacci levels, so I'm going to put one there to that top there. So we would be looking, I think, around this area here, which is 72.86. So around there I think is where Ftse could quite easily come back to on a correction. Now, the problem with coming back down to this lower level, we've got to break below all of this. And if we look at the outside one, it's 73.67. So if we can break 73.67, we should be onto a winner with it going down to this 38.2. You've got all the moving averages coming in at roughly the same area. You've got the 9-day 73.50, the 21-day 73.22, and the 55-day 73.24. So you can see that just under here you still have the market well supported down to 73.24.22. But I say I like this area here, which is 72.86. Then I think we need to buy. Okay, the weekly charts are still pointing higher, the monthly charts are pointing lower, but they take ever such a long time to actually come to fulfillment. So although I keep my eyes on them, I'm not actually holding my breath waiting for them to follow through. So I think you keep your eye on the daily. The RSI is beginning to flatten out, not at extreme levels, not really much past neutral, but definitely keep your eye on the stochastics and that 74.42 area. If it doesn't break 74.45, if it doesn't break that, then we're going to see a correction sooner rather than later. And remember that Tuesdays normally it reverses what Friday and Monday did. And look here, we close lower. So there is this feeling around the Ftse that it really doesn't want to trade higher just yet, not until we've seen a correction. Okay, good luck, I'll catch you later.